Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Kraken account with Authenticator, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Kraken account using an Authenticator, start by logging into your Kraken account. Navigate to the security settings section of your account. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to choose an Authenticator app. Download an Authenticator app if you haven't done so yet. Common options include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Open the Authenticator app on your mobile device. In your Kraken account, you will see a QR code displayed on the screen. Use your Authenticator app to scan the QR code. Once scanned, your Authenticator app will generate a unique 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code back in your Kraken account to verify the setup. Kraken may prompt you to enter a backup code if you lose access to your Authenticator. Make sure to save these backup codes in a secure place. After entering the code, you will see a confirmation message that two-factor authentication is enabled. You are now secured with two-factor authentication. Each time you log in, you will need to enter a code from your Authenticator app. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. If you lose access to your Authenticator app, use the backup codes to regain access. Always ensure your Authenticator app is installed and working properly. That's the complete process for authenticating your Kraken account with an Authenticator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.